Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to talk Range Rovers. More specifically, let's talk about the Evoques. And as you see, I have a very dirty engine component sitting on my counter. Fiance wasn't too pleased. Definitely had to clean it up at the end. But this is actually the exhaust housing and manifold for a turbocharger for an Evoque. And they have problems. And it's actually a pretty expensive repair. There's a beer can for size comparison. Well, yeah. Let's tell you about why I don't like these cars. And this repair is one of them. And if you look in here, you're going to see a bunch of carbon on those outer exhaust flanges. All that carbon is from a crack. And, well, not really a crack. It's more like a broken weld. And that weld right there on the bottom is actually broken. It didn't get any good penetration, and over time it just doesn't do its job anymore. It doesn't hold it, and as you can see, all the carbon will just leak past it, and it's not very pretty. It's very dirty, and it's kind of an expensive repair. I mean, the part itself I think was at least $1,500, and from there it's 5 hours on average labor, 5 to 8. I don't know, depending on which shop you go to and what program they're using to quote it. And if they're gonna make you pay a Range Rover tax or not. It's real. It happens. And right in here, this one down here at the bottom, that weld, that's the one that's actually failed. And as you can see, I can wiggle this exhaust manifold around, and I can wiggle that flange. It's because that weld, that one right there, is broken. See it from the back side. There you go. It's a good little shot of it. So that's actually the failure there, and so it leaks past, and then there you go. And so there you guys have it. That is the Range Rover Evoque turbocharger failure. If you guys want, I can tell you guys how to replace it. I just figured I'd make this little buyer's guide. I'm in the process of doing a bunch of little videos like this of just showing you different failures that I see on my daily basis. See how you guys like it. Try and get you guys some more uploads and do a little bit of shorter content. Make you get to see some fun stuff. I'll promise I only will show you the great failure rates. So if you guys are interested in that, come on back. I got more for you.